what's going on? Hope all is well. I have a no heat call somewhere in the building, or somewhere on the building, but I have to go inside and find out where. See what it is. Guys, hope all is well. I'm coming here to the roof. I guess there's a no heat. Customer said the unit wants to start and then nothing happens, so let's see what it is. There's no mistaking it. So this one over here. Oh boy! All right, let's open it up. It's good for air conditioning. Okay. So let's jump out. Get like felines living in here. My arm is killing me. Why wasn't it running before though? Let's let it cycle. We'll check the belt, check the filters. I want to pull this off right here. Just a couple screws. This has to start up. That's loose as hell. Probably a high limit issue. Turn it off for now. Look at that guy. Yeah, it could have went off on high limit because it started right up when I jumped it. This has to be fixed. Don't try that at home. Do you have a blower on your truck or no? Yeah, bro. We're gonna pull these, check them out, clean your igniter, your flame sensors. You're like in the army with those handles you got on. Yeah, let's see the difference, bro. Oh yeah. Let's grab the coil brush. Let's clean this here. Yeah, no. I want to clean all that because I don't have my blower, and then we're gonna pull the components out. Clean them up. Looks like a bat. Could be getting the virus. Wheel alignment. Wheel alignment's good. It's so bad. Yeah, my blower. I don't know where. I must have left it in my house. I don't know why I don't have it. Probably moved on. They probably moved on though. What's the temperature today? It's cold. Flag, fellas. Fellers. God bless America. Love it. Bro, it's disgusting. But it's a lot cleaner. I know it's air conditioning, but still I want this clean. Alright, so we're gonna clean all this up. Wow, look at that. Clean all this up. Pull the burners out. Take this off. Here goes. Check the heat exchanger. Belt's good. Check the filters. We'll go through it. What are you using, a coil brush? That's an old school. Oh yeah, brown one, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this thing out so I can clean off the bottom of this. Yeah,
so we're gonna pull this top plate off first.
Yep.
2 screws, and then we're gonna pull the burners out that way. My hand's killing me. I can't even lift this guy. Those are good. First week of 12. It's literally from the condenser. Dollar bills. This guy actually looks surprisingly well. We're gonna go through it. It's a nice Klein thermometer. Pretty sick. It's like a whole nother machine, bro.
Around.
35 to 65. 7 degrees on the temp. All right, I'm gonna close this guy up. I'm waiting for my coworker to grab me some self-tappers because, again, I say it every day. These carriers suck. They always strip out. So. This is the one that wasn't working. Put one there, put one over there. Nice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Take care.